The historic Damen Silos on the west side, built back in 1906, are one step closer to demolition. This week, the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers gave the green light for the property's owner to raise the former grain storage structures along the Chicago River. Now, city officials still have to sign off on that plan. The owners also have to put up a historical marker to memorialize the silos. Demolition is getting a little bit of pushback over environmental concerns. Also, serious questions about how any future development would benefit the community.
Big thing is we have a developer here who won't tell us what they're going to do, and that's really disappointing. There are several other proposals for this lot that would have been good for the community.
Now, we reached out to both the city and the owner to comment on possible plans for the site, but we've not heard back.